all over. What am I doing? Well, today I'm going to be making one of my all-time recipes. It's a favourite in this house, and it's basically a grilled omelette. Yep, grilled omelette. Normally we would have it for tea, and I would do it in a big frying pan. I'd use 6 eggs and more of the ingredients. But for today, I'm just going to do a small one for dinner. So this is a 20 centimetre pan. So let's get our grilled omelette started, and let's get cracking. So, I know. The first thing I'm going to do is to break the eggs. I'm going to use 3 eggs for this one. We'll break the eggs. Get rid of them. Right, so you've got your eggs. You want some salt in there. Some usual black pepper. Just a small splash of Worcester sauce. Like that. And just a small splash of milk. And then, just using a fork, give that a really good beating. Then put it to one side. Start on the ingredients. I've got 4 mushrooms here which I'm going to slice. And I've also got 1 tomato again, which I'm now going to slice. Bit for the chef. That's all the preparation done. Here, I've got some garlic butter which I took from my chicken kievs recipe. If you've not seen that, it's worth having a look. Even if you want to learn how to make the garlic butter, that's worth a check out. I'll put the link in the description below. So now we're going to start cooking. Want that to melt. Start cooking your mushrooms until they're well cooked. They're starting to cook nicely now. Right, I'd say they will cook nicely now, so I'm just going to turn the heat down a little bit. Give your egg another whisk. And spread it evenly around. This is your typical omelette, this is where your typical omelette comes in, but it's going to change now, because now we're going to put our sliced tomatoes around it, like that. A bit more for the chef. Then we're going to turn the heat up to about half. Let that cook a little bit. Now we're going to sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese. You can use what cheese you want, but I do like cheddar. So sprinkle plenty on there. That's been cooking there. I'm going to cook it for about 2 minutes on the hob, then put it under the grill and let the cheese cook. Okay, I can go under the grill now. So, that's been under the grill for a few minutes now. You can see the cheese is nicely cooked, salt, brown and everything. Just going to put it back onto the hob for a couple of minutes maybe, just to finish it off, and then it'll be ready. And there you have my grilled cheese, tomato and mushroom omelette.